matanda pa ako kasi ako 72. That guy must be around 68. Siguro mga ang mukha 90 years old. Parang hermit. Nasa ko itong tsabo talaga. The social cost. Alam mo, pag may isa kang anak na tinamaan ng siyabo, the family becomes dysfunctional. Kung may dalawang anak ka, it becomes doubly dysfunctional. That is one social cost. The other is social cost. How about tayo? Maybe, tingnan ko ilang milyonaryo dito, ha? Sigurong DSWD ang, ikaw siguro direktor ang pinakamayaman dito.